Hello, welcome to my channel. It's me, Mommy Chang Latte.
Hey everybody, let's sing a song about high and low and singing in the middle.
Excuse me, Mike. I am the star of the music show, and I am the one who introduces the songs.
Oh, sorry, little buddy. Didn't mean to step on your, toe.
Apology accepted. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please join us in singing a song about high and low.
And don't forget the middle. Don't forget the middle.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please join us in singing a song about high, low, and the middle. We're gonna sing high, we're gonna sing low, we're gonna sing right here in the middle. Sing high,
Sing low,
we're gonna sing high,
we're gonna sing low.
come on now, let's all sing right down from high to low. One more time. We're gonna sing high, we're gonna sing low,
We're gonna sing right here in the middle.
sing high,
Sing low,
we're gonna sing high.
we're gonna sing low.
Come on now, let's all sing right down from high to low.
Let's take it up a step.
We're gonna sing high, we're gonna sing low, we're gonna sing right here in the middle. Sing high,
Sing low,
we're gonna sing high.
we're gonna sing low.
Come on now, let's all sing right down from high to low. Sing high, sing high. Everybody sing low. That was amazing.
Amen.
Thanks for joining us, everybody. Here where music is
No.
fundamental. We'll see you again real soon on the music show.
OK，走，我们看了那个 The Music Show 了哦，好看吗？好看哈。OK，so in the music we have a high sound and we have a low sound. Can you show me your high sound again? This high, yeah, and low. Okay, now you want to play game? You want to play game? Yes. Okay, now let's play a game, ah. Now teacher Vivian will show you
Look at there.
this.
The
Let's
music
see. Okay, I want you to
is a
guess,
high
yeah?
or low.
Is it high or low? Okay, let's see the first one, ah. You see first one.
First, everyday
我看第一
phrase.
个啊，哪一个是高音，哪一个是低音啊？Okay, number one. Let's listen to this one.
Okay, listen. You must.
Hi! It's hi, Ma.
It's a high.
Ah,
Oh,
that's a kettle, right? The water is
good.
boiling, right? Okay, what do you think? The sound is sound high or low? I want to see your answer first. Let me see. Okay. Okay, if you say high, can you show me your up? Thumbs up. If you say low, you thumbs.
Oh, they can say
Put it
it's so
low,
high
okay?
or yeah.
Okay, just now I show you the kettle, right? The water is boiling. The sound. What do you think? Is high or low? Show me your thing. Show me your thumb.
My thumb, if the down is like this,
Or low.
Yeah.
刚才你听到水滚的声音，这样声音，高音还是低音？Okay, some say high, some say low. Okay, 来我们看看。听多一次啊，听多一次。
Okay, let's listen one more time.
Is the sound is
High.
Ah, very good. It's a high.
Okay, number two. Let's see number
Okay,
two.
number two.
Okay, number
Number
two 啊，
two.
我们看啊。What is this?
What's that?
Is it high or low?
It is high or low?
Low.
Ah,
Okay, this is a
See, it's
timpani.
like-
Okay, what do you think?
yeah.
But the table is like,
Or low?
Yeah.
Show me your finger.
if you like this
Show
here,
your
Say
finger.
low.
but if
Very
you
good.
like here,
还有谁？我看一下。
it's
Janice.
loud.
Yeah.
Is it low? Yes.
Low.
Oh, very good. Yeah, it's low sound.
Ma, if that orange, you see,
Very good.
Yeah.
Okay,
that one
listen one more
in
time,
the
yeah?
camera,
Very good.
it means that one, you see?
You're all correct.
If
Yeah,
in
it's low
my
sound.
iPad, I see yellow on the side there, but in your camera,
Okay, next, number
I
three.
see brown on.
Brown.
Okay, number three
Yeah.
sama like that, huh?
That's different.
Yeah, that's different. You
Okay,
see?
number 3. It's a violin.
Low.
Oh, it's a low.
You see?
Oh, low sound.
White, brown, dark brown. You see?
Yeah.
Oh, low sound. What's that?
Let's
A violin, huh? It's not a violin.
every time you're lagging. Did I not turn on my Bluetooth?
So
Yeah.
what do you think? Is high
Bluetooth?
or low?
Wait, let me
You
check
sure
my
your hand no need to
Okay.
touch?
Low? Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
very
low.
good. Not done there.
Okay. Let's listen again, huh?
Let's
see what
listen
answer.
one more time.
Yes, it's low sound.
It's
Yeah, you're all correct. Very good. Okay, let's see number 4.
I like to watch.
Listen number 4. Number 4.
I like to watch this one, ma.
Yeah.
What is it?
High or low?
What do you think?
High. Because it's
Oh,
loud.
sounds
It's
good,
high,
right?
ma. High.
Okay, this is a piccolo. Okay, it's smaller than a flute. So what do you think is high?
It's high, ma.
Show me your
Because
thumbs.
Show your thumb there.
High or low? Some say low, some
Yeah.
say high. High or low?
Okay, don't disturb here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like to touch it.
Okay, we listen one more time.
I like
You
to
don't
touch
disturb
it.
Coco here. Coco study.
Listen one more time.
Listen one more time.
Count in and
One more time. What is that?
High. Why every time
You don't touch my
they
hand.
put this one high or low?
They will asking you, is it high or low?
yeah, correct.
Because some of the
Very
kids,
good.
they don't know.
Okay, look at number 5.
Number 5.
Okay.
Ooh, what is this?
Oh, it's a tiger. Lion.
Yellow and brown is
What do
here,
you
ma.
think is
See?
Yeah.
Or low?
Let's listen one more time. Is it high or low?
Low sound.
Low.
No.
Yes, it's low sound.
Low.
Okay, well done.
Looks like
Correct. Okay, number 6.
Sleepy or you.
Okay, number 6
No,
now.
if in real life, the tiger
Yeah,
in
see,
real
listen,
life
listen.
is like, like that, it's high.
Yes, you're
What do
very
you think
good.
is high or low sound?
High.
1, 2,
Because
3.
it's
Give
like,
me your answer.
ding.
High or
Why they put listen one more time?
Okay,
Because
count
some
1,
of
2,
them,
3,
they
yeah?
don't
Give me your
don't
fingers,
listen.
Show
So
me
that's why
your
you need to listen your
1,
teacher.
2, 3. High or low?
But the teacher,
What do you
Say-
think? You show your thumb?
Oh. High or low? Okay, listen one more time. Tinggal itu.
It's a low or high?
It's
high.
high.
Very good. You.
Okay, number 7.
Okay, 7. Get the wet there. Oh, what is that?
High because it's like
High or low? Show me your thumbs. 1,
Show
2,
your
3.
thumb.
Low.
high.
Good.
You see,
Yeah.
why every time your handphone change the color?
I don't know.
You see,
How was that?
Okay, no
high.
whistle.
Oh, very good.
High or low? Show me. 1, 2, 3. Yes, it's high. Very good. Okay, number 9.
Number 9.
I asked Papa.
No need to go down. You need to stay here. Oh, what's that?
High.
Oh, very
Pa!
good. No need to go down.
No,
You must
no, I
concentrate
don't-
here.
Pa!
It's high or low? High. Very good. Okay, number 10. Last one.
High or low?
You sit down only here.
Wow.
Don't go.
Just high or low?
Now what's that?
Very good. 那个是 tuba， 是 low sound 啊。Very good. Oh, okay，还有 11。
Okay, number
再走一题啊。
11. Now what's that?
Is it high or low? It's low.
Oh, very good.
Good. Okay, listen more time.
Now listen one more time.
I don't want to listen one more time. I don't want everybody don't listen to them.
Okay, I think this is the
Number
last one.
12. Last one.
It's a parrot. 那个很好。
Oh, matey.
What do you think is
What's
high
that?
sound or low
It's
sound?
high.
Sure.
Thank you.
Very good.
Okay, alright, good job, children. You're all welcome.
Ma,
Mm.
it's just like Five Nights at Freddy the Foxy Pirate.
Yeah.
OK，好，我们今天就到这里啊。So, OK，I will see you next week 啊。OK，好，老师现在给你们一点时间，你们可以去喝水休息。
And the middle is
待会我们要上科学啊。
Hmm?
like this, my see?
So I will
What
see you
the
next
like
week.
same like that.
Okay, now you can take time, go to
Now your hair is going here,
drink some
but
water.
the teacher hair is near
Okay,
up
after
there.
Yeah.
2 minutes or 3 minutes, you come back here. Later you have your science. Okay, alright.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher Vivian.
Mama, I feel boring.
Wait.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, I will see you next week. Yeah. Okay. 好了，去上厕所，喝点水，休息一下，等一下我们再泡回来。我就把时间交给
After
就
that,
给你
they
啊
will。listen. The teacher will come back. Okay. After 3 minutes. You drink your water first? What the next?
喝水，想要上厕所，去上厕所，多2分钟我们就开始 ，OK？ 好，老师帮你们。
You look at your
想
teacher
要上厕
there.
所的，好啦。
Say hi. You said hello. Hello, teacher.
Is
Good
it
morning. This is the last. You say good morning. Good morning, teacher.